Alrighty guys, this was not a good drawing for me at all. Didn't work out whatsoever, but trying to take it as a learning experience. This was a really difficult pose for me to try and draw on a... It is supposed to be a good learning experience and a good learning tool on how to learn very quickly, and it kind of improved with each drawing, but not to the level that I would like. But yeah, it's a work in progress. Difficult pose for me to try and do initially, and I am trying to continue to push my comfort zone and just trying new things. So we'll just get on with it. 1, 2, and 3. The fourth space is for the analysis, and each drawing takes 4 minutes with a 1 minute summary, as I said. So the first one I utilised, for all three I should say, I utilised good speed. The first one was a very simple, everything simplifies kind of approach. That one is probably the best one out of the lot, to be honest. However, I do like the face, I prefer the face on this one. But yeah, I just wanted to try and get the actual simple and overall shape of the drawing, and basically so that I could try and then in my mind's eye see where things should go as well. I utilised the geometric method so that I could just try and see shapes within the actual body, and I was able to do the correct angle, which I was happy with. The second one, again good speed. The left shoulder ended up way too high and far too far out, so he looks really quite unproportional and pulling a really strange angle, really strange pose I should say. Again, very simplified, however around the bottom area it's not as wide as it should be, and the thighs and everything, as I said, it just didn't work out, but I know where to go. I tried to think I knew where to go the next time, which I still didn't manage to get, but the left arm was more in proportion with the rest of the body. This arm, up until this part here, did actually work out. The pectoral kind of pec area wasn't quite right. That should probably be further round. But I was happier with the face and where the actual features were supposed to be laid out. Yeah, it's not my best, not my worst, but it's still a learning experience, as I said, and I will continue to improve, fingers crossed, specifically for this pose. And yeah, let me know what you think, what you would have done, how you would have approached this type of drawing, and also start a conversation. Thanks guys, bye!